Today, we're going to dive into the power of vision boards and how you can use them to manifest your dreams. Vision boards are powerful tools in the law of attraction process, helping you visualize and stay focused on your goals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create one that aligns with your dreams and amplifies your manifestation journey. Let's get started. So what exactly is a vision board? Simply put, it's a visual representation of your dreams and goals. It's made up of images, words, quotes, and anything else that inspires and motivates you. The idea is to have a physical or digital space where you can see your desires clearly every day. Why does it work? Here's the magic. When you focus on your vision board regularly, you're engaging in visualization, a key part of the law of attraction. By repeatedly seeing your goals, your brain starts to believe they're already happening. This sends signals to your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions toward making those dreams a reality. Essentially, you're training your mind to seek opportunities that bring you closer to your goals. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating your vision board. Step 1. Set clear goals. Start by being clear on what you want to manifest. Whether it's financial success, a new home, travel, or improved health, write down your specific goals. Remember, clarity is key in manifestation. Be as detailed as possible. Step 2. Gather materials. For a physical vision board, you'll need a poster board or cork board, scissors, glue, magazines or printed images, markers, stickers, or other decorative items. For a digital vision board, use apps like Pinterest or Canva to create a collage of images and words that represent your goals. Step 3. Choose powerful images and words. Look for images that truly resonate with your goals. Cut out pictures of the dream house, car, vacation, or even representations of feelings like happiness and fulfillment. Don't forget to add affirmations and powerful words that reflect the emotions you want to feel when you achieve your goals. For example, words like abundance, success, or love are great for keeping your board inspiring. Step 4. Arrange and personalize. Place your images and words on your board in a way that feels right for you. This is your personal vision, so let your creativity flow. Step 5. Place your board where you'll see it daily. Once your vision board is complete, place it somewhere visible, like your bedroom or office. If it's digital, make it your phone or computer wallpaper. The key is to look at it every day, so you stay focused on your goals. To ensure your vision board stays effective, here are a few tips. Review and update regularly. As you grow and evolve, your goals may shift. Periodically review your vision board and make adjustments as needed. This keeps it aligned with your current desires. Focus on feelings. The most important part of a vision board isn't just the images, but the emotions behind them. Every time you look at your board, connect with the feeling of already having achieved your dreams. Take inspired action. Remember, a vision board isn't magic by itself. It's a tool to help you stay focused and motivated. Use it to guide your actions and decisions. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a vision board for manifesting your dreams. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on manifestation and personal growth. Drop a comment below on what goals you're adding to your vision board. We'd love to hear. Click the link below this video for an easy way to create a stunning vision board.